Hello friends, do you know the best spot in Abu Dhabi for children? I think you got it right. Yeah, it is Children's Library Abu Dhabi. Kids from a range of 5 to 10 years will enjoy it the most as they have play areas and magic shows and face painting shows happening on Saturdays and Sundays. And we also have this amazing chessboard for kids to play, and we also have a session of um, PS5 play for kids who have their library card. The library card or registration in this library can be done with your Emirates ID. Emirates ID. The this children's library has a variety of books like comics, books from Spanish, French, German, Arabic, and many more languages. You can you can also see many comic characters like this one big villain, and here is the bubble show. This bubble show is made during the weekends, and also it attracts more crowd than ever. How fantastic it is, right? I also thought the same when I saw this fantastic view from the staircase. Hello friends, this is the session of PS5 I was talking about. You can you'll need to give your Emirates card to the security guard, and she will give you the controller, and you can play the PS5 up to 30 minutes. This game is Marvel Lego. And there are many more games like racer games and like runner games and many more. This is the balloon. This is the kind of magic show I was talking about. We asked for a tiger and a monkey to this artist.
Thank you.
Next.
He made me a wonderful tiger, and now my brother is asking for a monkey. You see those kids on the right side of my brother? They got face painting. This is a room where they make shows, and there are two shows happening in this room right now. The one is this balloon making show, and another one is the face painting. Hello friends, this is one of the fantastic things I've ever seen. Says my brother, because he's so excited by this fantastic monkey which was given to him by the artist.
6 o'clock.
Oh, now it means that it's so cool. You mean it's on fire? No, so cool. That's a flower. Yeah, I know. Maybe we're trying to say it's on fire. Somewhere under friends. Oh my goodness.